Hey guys, Nick here, back with another quick iOS tip that could totally save your day. So picture this, you update your iPhone to the latest iOS, and suddenly it's laggy, the battery drains fast, or you just hate the new look. You think, okay, I'll just go back to the old version. Then you check IPSW.me, and boom, Unsigned. That red X hits harder than you expect, right? So is there a way to restore Unsigned IPSW? Alright, here's the deal. When Apple stops signing an iOS version, your iPhone literally loses permission to install it. Think of it like a digital lock. No signature, no install. Apple does this to keep devices secure and prevent people from running older vulnerable systems that hackers could exploit. So yeah, it's annoying, but it's all about protecting your data. Now, without jailbreaking or doing anything risky, installing an unsigned IPSW in 2025 has become way harder. Honestly, for most people, it's pretty much impossible now. If you ever plan to downgrade before Apple cuts the signature, move fast. Your best bet? ReiBoot. It automatically checks which versions are still being signed and lets you downgrade safely with just a few clicks. You connect your iPhone, pick the downgrade firmware you like, and ReiBoot does the rest. You can even use it to back up data before downgrading, and this feature will be very useful in case data is lost after downgrading. It's honestly one of the easiest ways to stay safe while rolling back. Some people mentioned using 3U tools, but that only works for users with iPhone 14 or 13, so it's pretty limited. Plus, right now it can't actually downgrade iOS versions either. And yeah, some people online talk about other methods like using SHSH Blobs. But honestly, that stuff's way too complicated and risky for most users. I mean, sure, those tricks used to work years ago, but not anymore. They were Apple's digital approval codes for iOS installs. But since iOS 5, Apple changed the system with encryption keys, so those old tricks just don't work anymore. You can still save blobs for fun, but they're not really useful now. Some people talk about delay OTA, but that's not downgrading, it's just upgrading to a slightly older version within a short time window, maybe a few weeks. Once that closes, you're out of luck. So here's the truth. You can't install unsigned IPSW files anymore. Apple security is way too tight. My advice, don't rush into updates. If you've already updated, you can use tools like ReiBoot. Just keep an eye out for any older iOS versions, like iOS 18 or others you prefer, that might become available again. Sometimes ReiBoot detects downgradable versions that don't even show up on IPSW. And if that happens, don't wait, just downgrade right away. And if you want to downgrade, use official tools like iTunes or ReiBoot. Don't mess with jailbreaks. Alright guys, that's the full picture. If this helped clear things up, hit that like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and tell me in the comments, which iOS version do you actually miss the most? See you in the next one.